Today we have installed two 6 kilowatt systems. So let me tell you the facts of this installing. Here we have installed 18 solar panels of 550 watt which are connected in series 9 together. And as I told you about the structure of the panels in my previous video, we have used L2 and L3 structure to mount the panel, and all their legs are well filled with concrete after rowel plugging, and a strong 4-inch wall is built behind it so that the wind pressure doesn't affect the panels. So now let's move on the preparing DB box. Always use the best type of breakers and protections in DB box to protect your inverter and other electrical equipments. DB box is the main heart of solar system. First of all, check the voltage of our solar panels, and here are the voltage from our 9 strings. This is the one string, and this is the second string of solar panels. So here we have installed a rotary changeover which will give the output to Wabda or solar, and it should be the output load breaker of the inverter which will go through the changeover to the protection, and this is Wabda's in breaker which will go through the protection to the inverter. And here this is the second DP box. We used one AC SPD surge protection device, two DC SPDs, and two DC breakers for two separate inverters. So this is the final look of our DB box. This is the Renovo 6.2 kilowatt hybrid solar inverter. Let's open it now. In my next video, I will provide you complete information about this inverter. So now we run this inverter after installing it to the wall. This is input and output connections connector, and the middle side, this is batteries connection connector, and the last side solar input connection connector.
Single, single.
And now this is our final look. If you have any question related to solar, you can ask me in comment section. And more informative and interesting videos, please visit my YouTube channel, and don't forget subscribe and share. See you in the next video.